a good one.
This thing's tough.
You guys do not know how much taking down that plastic zipper meant to me. That was powerful. Wow. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a moving into my room vlog video type situation. I've touched on this a couple times in my past couple videos, basically about my new room and my new bathroom and my new house and everything. So my house has been undergoing renovations for the past couple months. So basically we added on some square footage, knocked some walls down, or rearranged some things just to make the rooms bigger. So my parents have like a master bedroom, a master suite, master closet, which they didn't have in the past. The beginning of this video, you saw just a few clips of how it was prior to the demolition and, you know, during and everything. And so they're finally done. The workers have done such an amazing job getting this up and down, doing it in really great quality. I'm gonna do a lot of cleaning in here because it's really dusty. I'm gonna do a lot of cleaning, and I'm going to move hopefully my vanity and my clothes in here. So the right side of our house is what's had I think this is gonna show up as your left on camera, but I don't know. This side of our house has been undergoing like the demolitions. Like we haven't been living in this side of my house. Then the other side of my house is where we've been living, which is where like the dining room and the bonus room and like the kitchen is. So we've basically had our bedrooms in there, like in the dining room and the bonus room. We've been living like Charlie Brown, if you know what I'm talking about. We're finally here. I'm so happy to finally have a room again. And I have this huge mirror that has great lighting. I'm gonna be able to film in here. I'm so excited. But yeah, so it's Thursday. I'm hopefully gonna be setting up my bed tomorrow because my parents are currently sleeping on my queen mattress in the bonus room. And so when their king mattress gets here tomorrow, I'll be able to put my queen bed in here and set it up and everything. I'm gonna be getting a new vanity and new dressers and all that good stuff. And then I will do a room tour once it's completely decorated. So that will be in a couple months, but it will be here eventually. So yeah, we're gonna start soon, and I'm really excited, and I cannot wait for you guys to see it. So if you watched my video a few weeks ago, you know that me and my brother bought this plant at Meyer, I believe, and we bought it specifically for our bathroom. So I'm finally putting it in here. Ta-da! Why you slouch so much? Ooh, look at that.
That's my bed.
Beautiful. Did you love that?
Yeah, feel it.
That's just really fun and fresh.
Like squish on though. Soft.
Nice and soft. I love that for you. This is my outfit. My cleaning clothes, yay. This is how I'm getting all my shoes from one end to the other. Okay, come on. Okay, stop. Stop!
This feels so good. Oh my god.
Hi guys, what's up? So as you can see, this is a different day. So basically, I had no intention of uploading this video. When I was filming it, I had intention of it, but for some reason, all the footage got deleted and I panicked and it was weird and it was horrible. And so then I just ended up vlogging last week's video, which was a show choir competition vlog, which was still fun, and I was planning on doing that anyway. But I was really upset when all of my footage got deleted, and this morning, it all came back out of nowhere. It's been about 5 days since I've moved into my room, and I've already added so many new things. So instead of showing you the clips of my room that I filmed that night, I decided I would show you the ones from today because they are recent and I have new things. So I'm gonna show you that now. All right, so here is kind of an overview of my room. So obviously it's kind of plain right now. But it is definitely coming along. So I'm just gonna start with my bed. So this is basically what it looks like. I love this bed. It is so comfortable. I can't tell you where the mattress is from because I got it from my grandma, but this bed is so amazing. All right, so this blanket, which is so nice and it's brand new. This is from Wayfair. I'm gonna try to link all the products down below that I'm showing you guys if I can find them. But majority of my stuff is from Wayfair and Amazon. I will say when I first bought this, I was kind of worried because it felt cheap to me. But as I've worn it out, it feels really nice and it's so cozy and warm. So I love this blanket. I recommend it. So then this comforter, this is actually a duvet cover, and this is from Urban. It's just white and has little ruffles at the bottom. I don't have a bed skirt yet, but that is on the way. Got my bed skirt from Amazon. That will be in the room tour. Super cute and feminine, I thought. This was kind of expensive, but it's from Urban, so everything from Urban is expensive. Okay, so these pillows are super cute and adorable, but I'm definitely gonna get some throw pillows, but right now it's just not in the budget, so I'm just waiting. I'd rather have a dresser and stuff before I buy my throw pillows. These pillowcases are white silk pillowcases. These are from Amazon. They were like $9 each, and they feel like really nice. Like they don't feel cheap. But I just got these in the mail the other day, and I slept on them for the first time last night, and they were awesome. And then these pillows, which match my sheets, are from Wayfair. My sheets look like this. They're super cute. So I just have a fitted sheet under there, obviously, and then a regular sheet, and then pillowcases to match. So right now, this headboard is probably my favorite part of my room. This headboard is a velvet emerald green headboard from Wayfair. This was like $140, I believe. It is such great quality, you guys. I would have never known. I would have thought it was super expensive if I didn't, see the price. But this is from Wayfair. I totally recommend this headboard. It is amazing, super great quality, very easy to put on. I don't know if I mentioned this, but I do have a queen bed, so everything that you see right here, except for that blanket, obviously, is for a queen bed, including the headboard. This is all temporary and cluttery and messy, but these are just things that I would keep on my nightstand if I had one. I'm gonna be ordering a nightstand soon, but like I said, just not one of the top priorities right now, and then I just have my school backpack. So this little corner right here is really adorable, and I hate the fact that that drawer won't shut because I'm gonna keep those drawers, so I'm gonna have to fix those. So right now this is not the finished product. I ordered my vanity a couple days ago, and that will be in the room tour, which will be in a couple months. But those are the mini version of the Alex 9 drawers from IKEA. And then that little seat right there is from Target. I actually got it for $30. It was marked down from $60. It's so cute. My friend picked it out for me. And all that stuff over there, all the details will be in the room tour. That trash can is from Target, and then that little plastic Rubbermaid thing just has like stupid leggings and all that good stuff. And then this corner, I'm not even gonna show you this because it's ugly and horrible and messy. And this will all be put in storage once I get my dresser, but I've not picked one out yet. So all of that will be going in a dresser eventually. So my TV is mounted to the wall on this little, I don't remember what this is called. This is from Best Buy. I believe it was like $60, $45. I don't really remember. But I'm gonna get a cap to go over that. I just don't have it yet. But so this moves. It's really, really convenient and nice, especially for the angle that my bed is at. Since it's in the center of the room, it's kind of hard to see the TV. But this is just basically where it's at. And then you can also tilt it downwards. I can't do it with one hand. Hi. But yeah, I love this TV mount. It is very convenient. And if I can find it on Best Buy's website, I'll link it down below because I totally recommend it. My grandpa put it up for me. It was really easy to install. And if you're looking for a way to hang up your TV on the wall that's super easy, this is the way to go. Okay, so now on to probably my favorite part of my bedroom that I have been literally dreaming of for so long, having a big, nice closet. So here is a little overview of the entire thing. I just want to start off by saying this closet is custom made by the guys that did my house. They did, his name's Colin, the guy that did my closet, but he did such a fabulous job, and the whole team that built my house together did an amazing job. But so yeah, this is my closet, and that light is motion censored, but it goes off like every 20 minutes, so you guys obviously didn't get to see that part. So now that I just filmed that for you guys, that was not what my room looked like when I was filming this video last Thursday. But I'm gonna now return to the original footage. I just wanted to show you guys that because it's newer and it looks way better today than it did on Thursday. So yeah, let's get back into the original footage. So yeah, that is the end of this video, you guys. I am so happy, so blessed. I'm so excited to finally have my room done. I wish I had better before and after pictures, but this room is so much bigger and so much nicer than my old one. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video because I had fun filming it just because of how excited I am for my new room. I cannot wait to do a room tour when everything is finished the way I like it. I'm really excited and I just cannot wait to have this done the way that I like it. I am so thankful, I think I already said that, but my parents for being so hardworking and the people that built this part of my house, and I'm just so thankful for everyone involved in this process, and it has just been so amazing. And I haven't had a bedroom in 4 months, and anyone that knows me before this whole experience, having my bedroom was it was my sanctuary. Like, I'm so happy to have this back, and it's not the same room, but I am in love with it, absolutely in love with it, and it's already becoming my sanctuary, and I can't wait to sleep in this big, beautiful queen bed for the first time tonight, and I'm so excited. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and leave a comment if you're feeling lovely. Don't forget to subscribe, you know the drill. All my social media and the products that I showed you in this video will be in the link in the description. I think that's it. If you guys let me know if you want to see any new content, which there definitely will be new content, but yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't wait to give you a room tour, and I will see you on the flip side. Bye.